Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in the same series where we are trying to explore the different features and functionalities offered by Nftically in order to create an amazing NFT marketplace. So in the last video, we have learned how to set up an NFT marketplace within just a few seconds. And once the store is created, the next step would become to link a crypto wallet and get it registered as the store owner's wallet address. So once you have created the store, use that URL and land on directly to that store of yours. And once you're here, you will see that there is a little profile icon on the top right. Here you will have different options like My Profile, My NFTs, Account Settings, Store Settings, Reports, and Logout option. So the one that would help us is the Account Settings option. So we are going to click on that. So once we are onto that page, we will see that there are different options on the left panel like General Settings, My Wallet, Payout Groups, KYC, Referral, Notification Settings. So since we are trying to link our wallet here, so the one that is going to help us is My Wallet option. Now here we will have a number of different crypto wallet options that we can use in order to link our crypto wallet to the store. So whatever option you are comfortable with, just click on that. So in this video, we are going to go ahead with MetaMask. If I click on that, my MetaMask extension would get activated and would give me certain prompts. So the first thing that I have to see is that it is asking me that do you want to connect your MetaMask to this particular website? And now this website is nothing but your store URL. So yes, we certainly want to give permission to that. So we'll click on next. Next, it's again reconfirming that you are connecting your account one, or if you have multiple accounts in the same MetaMask, so you can choose different account as well. So now I'm authorizing my MetaMask to connect this account to my store website. I'll click on. Now my final request is I'm going to sign this authorization and my MetaMask account will be linked to this store address. So I'll just have to click on sign. The store will get refreshed. And now I have linked my crypto wallet to my NFT store and I have got it registered as a store owner's wallet. Now how I can cross check it whether I've got it all right. I'll again come to this profile section and go to store settings. Once I'm onto it, I'll just scroll down and here I'll have an option called team. I'll come to it and I'll see that my wallet address is now registered as a store owner's address. So all the functionalities are here. It's just for us to explore and use them to the most. So that's why I'm here and I'm going to help you understand all the functionalities that Nftically offers.